Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to make flowers using pipe cleaners. Here we are going to take red color of pipe cleaner, fold it. After this we are going to twist all of them together, look like this. Now we are going to roll all the sticks and make beautiful flower like this. After this we are going to open all the petals like this and adjust them. After this we are going to paste the green stick at the center. We are going to cover it using this green color of pipe cleaner. Look how we are doing here in this video. Similarly, we are making the leaves as well using the green color of pipe cleaner, and look, the leaf is ready. Now we are going to attach all of them on the green stick using floral tape. So we are going to make the leaf. Let's attach it now. So cover it using the floral tape, and look, your flower stick is ready. And look how pretty these are looking. You can make bunch of flower. Here we're going to make flowers, so let's get started. We're going to take pipe cleaner here. Now we're going to make the zigzag shape like this. After doing this, we're going to twist all the flowers together. And look how we are doing here in this video. Now we're going to make more such flower petals and combine them together. We are pasting them using hot glue gun. You can also add more colors. We are using this beautiful shade, and look, it's ready. Similarly, put a yellow flower at the center, and look, it's done. Let's make the sepal and leaves of the flower using green pipe cleaner and paste it on the bottom side of the flower. Cover it using floral tape and make more such flower look like this. After this, we're going to learn how you can make the long leaves. Look, it's ready. Now you can attach all these flowers using floral tape on a green stick, and you can also attach the leaf, and look, your flower is ready. Look how pretty these flowers are looking. We're going to make the leaf petal. We're going to take this pink color of pipe cleaner. Now we are going to fold it, and look, your flower petal is ready. Make 5 such petals. Now keep it aside. After this, we're going to make the sepal of the flower using green color of pipe cleaner. Now we are going to paste all the flower petals together. Here we are going to paste it using hot glue gun. Pull the petal downward. We're also going to twist it and give a beautiful shape. After this, we're going to put these mini beads at the center. We're going to put it and paste it using hot glue gun. After this, we're going to attach a green stick at the center. Cover it using brown floral tape, and look, your beautiful flowers are ready. You can make more such flowers. Let's make mini flowers using pipe cleaners. Here we are going to take this purple color of pipe cleaner. So we are going to fold it like this and make these flower petals. You can also twist them, give it shape, and look, it's ready. We're also cutting a small yellow pipe cleaner and paste it at the center. Let's cover it using green floral tape. Make more such flowers. Look like this. We're also making flower bird. After making all of them, we are going to attach them one after another in a straight line. Cover them using floral tape, and look, it's ready. After this, we are going to make the leaves of the flower as well using green pipe cleaner. Look like this. Attach it and tie a knot at the bottom part. Now we are going to attach all of them together, the flowers and leaf, on the green stick and cover it using floral tape, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.